পাল্টানো দরকার, পাল্টানো দরকার।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has turned the political heat up in poll-bound West Bengal. On day 2 of his visit, the Prime Minister landed in Shingur, launching development projects worth 830 crore rupees, while delivering a blistering attack on the ruling TMC. Asserting his push for Vikas, PM Modi said that Bengal must end what he called TMC's 15-year-long jungle Raj for asli poriborton.
एक ही आस लेकर के आए हैं कि हमें असली परिवर्तन चाहिए।
He also accused the Mamata Banerjee government of sheltering infiltrators, turning them into a vote bank and endangering women's safety. The Prime Minister said that Mamata government has been denying land to BSF to erect border fencing, only to help its infiltrator vote bank.
बीते 11 वर्षों से केंद्र सरकार टीएमसी सरकार को बार बार चिट्ठी लिख रही है कि बंगाल के बॉर्डर पर फेंसिंग लगानी है, इसके लिए जमीन चाहिए, लेकिन टीएमसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
He also alleged that central welfare schemes are being stalled deliberately, hurting the poor and marginalized by a vindictive Mamata government.
मेरा निरंतर प्रयास रहता है बंगाल की माताओं बहनों की हर संभव सेवा करूं, लेकिन यहां की टीएमसी सरकार केंद्र सरकार की योजनाओं को आप तक ठीक से पहुंचने ही नहीं देती।
Modi's visit, however, triggered a sharp counter from the TMC, which dismissed him as a political tourist, accusing him of spreading fear over demographic imbalance and law and order issues.
प्रधानमंत्री जी आएगा, एक जुमेला सभा है, इसको आदमी लोग को विभ्रांति करने के लिए, झूठा बनने के लिए सभा है।
Earlier, PM Modi had flagged off India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train. On the Matua community, PM Modi assured that their rights will not be affected and that the CAA will ensure citizenship.
মালদার মাটি গড়ের ইতিহাস, বাংলার শৌর্য, भारतेर विकास, विकसित भारत के निर्माण के लिए पूर्वी भारत का विकास बहुत जरूरी है।
With development on display and politics at full throttle, PM Modi's Bengal tour signals that the battle for the state has well and truly begun.